Today's recipe is a 2-ingredient cake box recipe for pumpkin muffins from Kathy, a friend that watches our channel. Look at that. I wish you could smell through the camera, but go buy one spice cake box and some pumpkin pie filling and you'll get to try it yourself. Welcome back to Quick and Tasty on the Farm. I'm Vicki, if I haven't met you yet, and I'm cooking on the farm on Route 66. Go check out our other channel. You guys, today I am continuing on with my cake box recipe series, and I am so excited to bring you this recipe today. It comes from a friend from our channel, Kathy. Kathy, thank you for sharing. It's a delicious pumpkin muffin recipe that only takes 2 ingredients. It's quick, it sounds delicious. I can't wait to try it, and we're gonna make it together today. All you need is a spice cake mix and 15 ounces of pumpkin pie filling. All I'm gonna do is dump in my cake mix, scoop in my pumpkin pie filling, super easy. I'm gonna mix this up, but you guys, fall is in the air. Every time I go out in the morning on the farm, and every time at night before I go to bed when I go outside, there's a I really can't talk today, sorry everyone. There is a crispness in the air that feels like fall, and I can already smell fall in this bowl, and it's gonna be delicious. Oops. You want to taste, Ellen?
No, I'm good.
I do. That's very good. Guess what I forgot? I need to preheat the oven. And you're just going to heat the oven to the temperature the box says. So I'm going to heat the oven to 350 degrees, I think. Maybe I better check the box. Yep, 350 degrees. And it looks like for cupcakes, it's gonna cook for about 16 to 19 minutes, even though we're making muffins, same size as cupcakes. So I'm gonna turn on the oven, get it preheated, and we'll put this yummy batter into our cupcake liners and muffin liners, and we'll go from there. Here's a little tip. Even though I'm using muffin liners, I'm actually gonna spray each muffin liner just a little bit with non-stick cooking spray, and my muffins are going to come out so easy when they're baked. My pumpkin muffins are ready to go in the oven. It really seriously smells so delicious. It's gonna taste delicious, I know. And being only 2 ingredients, a cake mix and a pumpkin pie filling, you guys, this is something you could have on your shelf all fall long and make it anytime you want. I'm gonna put it in the oven. While we do, guess where we're headed? We are headed out to the farm. It's a beautiful day on the farm. The clouds are starting to roll in. I'm hoping we get some rain. Cross your fingers and pray for that. But come with me. Let's go check on the horses, the animals. Maybe we'll see the peacocks. Guess what happened to the peacocks though? They lost all their feathers. We didn't realize that before we got peacocks, but once a year they lose all their feathers and then they grow them back during spring, which is time for mating season. I guess they have to look good for the females. Kind of crazy, huh? So they don't look as pretty as they used to, but let's go out, let's take a look at the farm, see what we can find today. And then we'll be back in the kitchen to taste some delicious pumpkin muffins. Here's two of our rescues that just came to the farm. You guys will have to go watch on the Farm on Route 66 channel to see their story. They are pretty thin, but we have others that are more thin that we rescued. So they sure are beautiful. And they're enjoying some green grass. Apparently the grass was greener on the other side of the fence and he can't get out. I'm glad we caught him. So scary. Is the grass greener on the other side of the fence?
The weeds are.
Apparently. Alan to the rescue. He's in there good.
Alright, we got it. That really goat stinks, so I'm gonna get on this other side of the
It
fence.
does stink. Yuck. Guess what? The muffins are done. They smell so good. I checked it with a toothpick. It took about 16 minutes to cook and the toothpick came out perfectly clean. So we're good to go. I'm gonna let them cool for a little bit and I am actually gonna put a little frosting on top just for an extra special treat. You don't have to do that. I think they're gonna be delicious this way. So we'll try them both ways and see what we think. Did you guys love being out on the farm with us today? I love the farm. That's why I make quick and tasty meals or snacks that my family enjoys because I want to spend time out on the farm. And if I'm cooking all day in the kitchen, I have no time for the farm. You guys, thanks for coming along today. I'm gonna frost these. We're gonna eat them for an after-school snack. And seriously, they look and smell so delicious. Thank you, Kathy, for sharing. Go to quickandtastyonthefarm@gmail.com and send me one of your favorite recipes. Right now, I'm highlighting cake mix recipes, and I would love some more of your cake mix recipes. So send them to me. Thanks, you guys. Have a wonderful day. Look at that. I wish you could smell through the camera, but go buy one spice cake box and some pumpkin pie filling and you'll get to try it yourself. Friends, I can't wait to try this with you.